SeaWorld. We're back for the evening show. And they have locker rentals at every ride pretty much because you have to put everything in lockers. You're not supposed to even have your phones on you. And if you have a GoPro that's attached to your body or attached to your wrist, I believe they do allow that. But as you can see around a lot of the curves where stuff could fly out and hit people, they do have netting up around the curves. So on the upper curve up there,
it is $14 for the locker, but you can transfer it from ride to ride.
And is it good for so many hours? 14 bucks all day. Transfer the locker ride to ride as you're going around. Better than the deal that's at Busch Gardens in Tampa. So SeaWorld is better with their coasters that way. So that explains that. So here it comes out. They're all standing up. And I've heard that this one is kind of, especially for a guy, very uncomfortable. Lord, no, I could not do this. Does look smooth though. Full invert there. Looks pretty smooth. Half invert there. Another curve here. Nice curves, nice banks. Pretty long too, pretty long coaster. Coming back into the brake run. Night shows that they're running, and these will be ending pretty soon once kids go back to school. Club Sea Glow Dance Party, 7:30. I think there's one at 8. I think there was 3 of those. Ignite is the nighttime spectacular with the lasers and the fireworks. So we're pretty excited about that. There are strobes though. Oof, okay. And this is right here at the ski stadium. They're down there practicing their dances. They have a lot of walls up where you can't get from one area to another area. Just kind of weird. Right, and we went to, what was the name of the burger place?
Altitude Burger.
Altitude Burger. We got a smash burger with cheese. Comes with pub chips. He gave us pickles. We didn't want the lettuce and tomato. Kind of looked a little, Got a coconut water and it came with a discount.
26?
Something like that. I think it was the meal was 16.
The drink was...
So.
Maybe it's 21.
Yep. But it's something to tide us over for the evening. We're going to split it.
Yep.
Okay, so there's Shamu Stadium, Orca Stadium. You can't even say Shamu. Do they even call them Shamu anymore? I don't think they do. It's the Orca Encounter. Altitude Burgers, Fire and Ice, Odyssey. You can either ride the ride or you can walk through and see the beluga whales, which we did yesterday, so check that video. And then if you go this direction, you run into Sesame Street Land. Over here they have Memphis Barbecue, Louisiana Barbecue. It's something about red, white, and barbecue. They have a stage over there where there's music pumping, but there's been no band there.
Yeah.
They asked on the survey if I knew about this, and I'm like, yeah, saw signs for it. Could I tell you what it is? No clue. So I'm not really sure what red, white, and barbecue is besides these stands.
They just put it out for the 250th.
Yeah, maybe they put it out for the summer for the 250th. At least there is covered.
Yeah.
And you go through there to get in. They did not have characters out today because of the heat. And they did not do the parade today because of the heat. Because it was 110 on the index during the day. Literally walked outside, my face was soaking wet. I couldn't even wear my sunglasses. A ride over here that goes up in the air. I'm going to try to talk really loud and not get copyrighted over Elmo singing or whoever's singing, Fozzie. But there's that ride. They got a water splash pad here. They got a little mini roller coaster over there. And some shops. And a store. And there is a show. But yeah, they do a parade. It was a really cute Christmas parade. This area looks like it's a playground for kids. Lots of kids running around. And it looks like there's another ride back there that must be like, oh, it's a cookie drop. Cookie Monster drop. All right, very cute. More music here, but they've got a train ride. Pretty good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22 kids. That's pretty nice. Goes around a couple of times. That's nice. And there's a theater here somewhere where there's supposed to be a show. I'm guessing this is probably it. A carousel. Cute little horsey. Oh, there's the Count. Abby Cadabby, Elmo, Cookie, Bert and Ernie. And so you exit. We're still over by Shamu Stadium. And we're coming out over here. Yes, we're near the place where the pizza is. Something Docks. Oh, it goes up like a lift. There they go. Oh my gosh. And then they come out and go this direction. Well, this is a pretty good thing before you go up the hill. This is a soaker ride for sure. Oh yeah, they're drowned. And they've got a waterway grill back here, which we did not walk back to. This is called Infinity Falls. Oh, you did walk back here. I did not. Here comes another one. Whoop. Get out of the way. Pretty fun. Oh, they call their Fast Pass Quick Queue. And with our annual pass, we've got the highest tier pass. You get 1 quick queue per day. So whenever we come in, we can stop at you got to go to guest services and get your quick queue loaded. Cocktails, mule, margarita, beers. Going with, no. Oh, there's a pass member lounge? Huh. I don't know. Pass member lounge. You go there and you check in. And it's SeaWorld's 60th birthday. Oh my gosh, do you remember this? I remember our SeaWorld in Ohio. Hi. Just wanted to see. This is nice. And you can come over here and get a drink. Complimentary drinks.
sa'yo, mami, daddy.
Papunta dun eh, sa likod eh.
Arit, tignan mo nga nagbibigyan. Oo, nag number. Pindutin mo. Curtain. Sakto na daddy.
That is cool. That's pretty amazing. This heart's as big as a Volkswagen. So the best place to watch the drones is in the bar if you're not in the stadium, but as soon as the drones are over, they open this front area so you can get up here to watch the fireworks. I couldn't handle the loud music that they had bouncing in the stadium, or we would have just went from Shamu over there. I think this show runs till around August 9th or maybe the 16th. Check the SeaWorld website. And I know for pretty soon it'll start running only on weekends. It's called the Electric Ocean. Big fireballs. Big hot fireballs. They must not know how expensive gas is right now.
That's why they're charging us $12 for a soft drink.
Exactly. A lot of smoke now. Oh my God, look at that big fireball. Holy shnikey.